free, but we're gonna go here and we're gonna check out these animals and we're gonna bring you along with us. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, stay tuned for more. Goodbye, Biggs.
We're watching. Whee! Okay. Period. Stick. Period. Okay. Alright, so what's going on here? I ain't got no more for none of y'all. Bye. 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 We have a very exciting. Phoenix also lost his voice. We have a very exciting video for you guys. We're finna go to this little farm. I forgot what it's called, but I seen it on TikTok. And basically, they close. They're ending it basically like at the end of the summer kind of thing. And I bought me a ticket. Phoenix is free, but we're finna go here and we're finna check out these animals and we're gonna bring you along with us. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, stay tuned for more. Say bye, Phoenix. Our destination. We're gonna show you guys what's going on.
Animals.
Let's go, babe. Let's go. Come on, go check in. Give me your hand. It's okay. Come on. I got you. It's okay. I got you. Give me your hand. I got you. You good? I got you. Y'all, look. You want? I don't want to touch the horse. Can I touch you? Come on, let's go. Hi, you're so cute. You're really, really like. Oh, that. Come on, Snake. Nigerian dwarf goats.
Look at that.
Oh, look at him. We're gonna go down there. I think you'd like it down there. He's scared. You gotta feed somebody to carry it with you. Okay, thank you for that. Thank you for telling me that. It's okay, Stink. Don't get scared. It's all right.
You like it?
You're cute. Oh, it's okay. Okay, here you go. You don't be digging in my pockets. You showing me some respect. Look, y'all. Y'all are adorable. Hi, what's up? Hi, guys. We're gonna come in here, but y'all gonna try to eat all of our food, so.
Yeah.
You gonna go this way? Like, they got an area over there I want to go check out, but I'm not sure. They got big old elephants. I mean, not elephant. What is this, a bear? What? We're watching. Whee! Okay. Period, Stink. Period. I think he climbed up the thing, y'all. Shoot, move. Get out of the way. Move. You wanna come in? You wanna come? Come on. Hurry. Go. I don't gotta share with none of y'all. If I.
Give me carrots.
Come on. Oh my God. Look. I'm not giving you no food, bro. Be gentle. I ain't got no more for none of y'all. They trying to get my carrots. They trying to get our carrots and we ain't got no more carrots. I ain't got no carrots for you, or you. Ain't no more carrots. Y'all just want to get dead. Back up. Who are you kicking? Here, Phoenix. I'm gonna get somebody. Get there. Baby, please. Move. There you go. See? asking you shall receive. Listen. Y'all gonna stop kicking on me now. Tell you that much. Here's thing. Be careful. Y'all kick my son, I'll beat y'all up.
Oh, you like it?
Ouch! Hurt. Big chill. Move.
It's so. Oh.
I don't gotta feed y'all. Y'all ate enough. Thanks. I wanna go feed the babies. You wanna go feed the babies, Phoenix? Say hey.
Hey.
Move! Y'all is greedy. Just greedy.
Look right here.
That's why you ain't getting them.
It say hello.
Oh, you like the mama? You the mama?
Look,
Move.
it's a ghost right here.
Dang. Move! Ain't nobody gotta feed you.
It's healthy. You want to eat food.
I'm out here trying to feed the goats, y'all. Look at them. Just nothing but goats, like
In
everywhere.
my face.
They ain't
Trying
got
to
no
get some
respect.
food.
Just look at y'all. Here, Stink. Hey, you don't headbutt. That's why. Back up. Move. 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 There you go. We'll feed you.
They're looking at me, Mom.
Oh! Yay!
And then there were 3.
There were 3.
Look at them. Just trying to eat some food.
Oh.
Just trying to eat some food. Like, get. I don't got no carrots for you, bro. I don't got no carrots for you neither. All up in my peripheral.
Still
all
here.
up in my. This is all the carrots we have left. These are all the goats out here, including some chickens and whatnot and stuff. Ouch! That freaking hurt.
Look at him.
No,
Look at him too.
look at him. Just looking for some food. Following me. Following me.
Sit there.
Got some carrots, y'all. Phoenix, y'all. Look. Just hopping. Get off me. You gotta set some authority around here. Look at the baby. Oh, Phoenix, look, say cheese. Look, say cheese.
See? Take picture of him.
Hold up. Sonny, hey, don't hit my son's hair. Go ahead now.
Don't kick him.
That ain't a carrot. Hey, bro, I'm trying to feed the babies. I ain't trying to feed you. Go ahead now. Go ahead, there you go. You want- Hey, that's why you ain't getting a piece. No. No, for real. That's why. That's why. Hey, you already got some.
Wait.
You're not. You already got some. We done shared with you. Here. We done shared with you. We done shared with you, bro. I done shared with you, bro. He done shared with you too. Y'all just being greedy, bro. Everybody gotta eat. Think. Look at him. I got 1 carrot in my hand. 1 carrot. Is he the grandpa or something? I think he's the grandpa. Here, Stink.
It's Mom.
Give it to somebody. Following this whole time. This one's been following the whole time. This one's been following the whole time. That one, I pet that one.
Come on.
Say cheese. Phoenix, look at the camera. Say cheese.
Give me camera so I
See, that's why y'all ain't getting none. Ew, you peeing and shit. Ew. Do a backflip. Look at the chickens, y'all. We got chickens in this cut, too. Like, we got chickens in the cut. Bro, I'm done feeding you. Get out my face. You want to feed another one, Phoenix?
Yeah. I said, far. Okay, baby.
Back up.
Okay.
I don't got to feed you. I'm not obligated. Y'all better back the freak up. Yo, you're being fat, bro. Oh, y'all. That'll be right. Move. Stop it. I ain't sorry. I don't want to feed y'all.
I guess the ones would be good red.
Oh, shit, bro. Move. Y'all don't be eating or something. You don't. Bro, move. Let me show y'all what. Look. Move, bro. Move. The children eat first, dang. Hey, patience is a virtue. Y'all just greedy, bro. I'm feeding the babies first. I don't gotta feed y'all. Move. Don't try to see. Be careful now. Get it. One of y'all helpers got shit on my freaking thing. Get it out. That hurt, bro. Hurt my foot, yo. Move. Back. Up. Back up. It's not a puppy, it's a goat. You're a goat. Yo, it was one of y'all, bro. I ain't been mad at it. Don't be mad? If they jump on you, push them down. Y'all make me stink. Get off me, bro. Hey, it was probably you. Up to my bro, though. Y'all see how they just following me around, though? Like, they ain't got... Oh, and you trying to grab my paper? Oh. They just greedy out here, y'all. They is literally just greedy out here. I kid y'all not. These little goats is greedy. Back up, bro. Hopping on me, trying to get my motherfucking food. I don't gotta feed you no carrot. Done feeding y'all. I'm done feeding you. Boy, I'll feed you. Hold up. Hold on, baby. I'm coming. Hold on, baby. Wait. Oh, look at you.
Look at you.
Are you gonna go out or what you doing? Oh. Wait. We gotta get out of there. So the goats are over there. Me and Phoenix are at the playground. I am currently on the swing because why not? You okay, Stink? He's okay. I'm gonna let him play for a little bit. And then we might explore a little bit more. I think there's another area out here they have that we're gonna check out. But according to the thing, we're allowed to be here until 6. So I'm like literally not rushing to get out of here, y'all. So thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Go subscribe right now. And you guys stay tuned. I'm so excited. And I lost my nose ring, but hey, we're not even sweating it, honestly. We're not even sweating it. Phoenix is having a good old time, y'all. Like, yeah, this is good. This is good. R.I.P. Greg. Look. See? The alpacas are over there. We gotta get over there. No. Look, Stink. Look at the... It's an ostrich. The teeth. Phoenix, what'd I tell you? Back up from the fence. Hi.
Hey, bye. Hey, bye.
Back up. Be careful.
Don't worry. See?
Oh my gosh. Hi. Can I pet you? I'm scared. Can y'all sense that I'm scared? I'm scared. Can I touch you? Oh, I should have got more carrots. Y'all probably prefer carrots, huh? You probably prefer carrots, huh? Oh, y'all do like carrots. We need to get them some carrots. Throw it in there. Just throw it.
See? I touched you. See?
Dang, think they like carrots. They don't like,
We don't like that. You like them. Look.
I want to touch you, though. I'm scared. Phoenix, back up.
No,
I found out that they have like an alpaca. They have the alpacas and they had the ostriches down there. Phoenix was reluctantly trying not to come over here, but I think they're like really sweet. Oh, hi. Oh, he don't want me to touch him. Oh, my bad. My bad. I'm trying. My bad. Oh, look at that one in the corner. Phoenix, don't be throwing stuff. This is so awesome. I think they only got like 4. Phoenix! Hi! Hi! Can I touch you? You can't bite me. Hi! Oh! Hi! You're trying to touch my butt, y'all. Like, what? You don't touch my butt. Be careful. Don't. Be careful.
Don't worry. You're good. You're a nice doggy.
Don't. Look at Phoenix, y'all. Just the playing around and stuff. He's coming, y'all. He's coming. He's coming for love and affection. Look. I see you. I know you coming over here. Look at y'all. Hey, y'all stink, but y'all are really, really adorable though. Like,
Think.
for real.
Guys,
What are y'all? I forgot what are y'all supposed to be?
look. Bye, vlog.
Bye vlog.
Bye, vlog.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.